Okay, so let's begin. What are the tips for writing the best prompts? So, you can literally create the best prompts by yourselves. You don't need to see anyone, you don't need to follow anyone. You just need to follow a basic set of rules. And these are the rules that I'm going to be speaking about right now. There are 9 such rules that you need to follow, 9 such tips you can say that you need to follow in order to create very, very good prompts. And good prompts will give you good results. This is, take it for given. So yeah, starting off, what are the various tips for writing the best prompts? Number one, offer context. Very, very important. Just like humans, AI does better with context. When you are given certain piece of context and asked to respond, asked questions basis on that particular context, you will do much better than without context. Think about exactly what you want the AI to generate and provide a prompt that's tailored specifically to that. Okay, I'll just show you example. You might, if you are confused, I'll just show you certain example. So let's say this is a basic prompt. Over here you are asking the AI to write about productivity. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's do the exercise hand in hand. I'm doing it on my laptop. I want you all to watch the entire lecture first, watch the entire example first, pause the screen, press the space bar, pause the screen, and then implement the same thing again in your systems as well. This will help you in basically practicing the. Okay, so let's do the first one. The first one is, let's say you have to write about productivity, but you have a specific use case in mind. But you ask ChatGPT a very simple thing: write about productivity. Let's see how the response is. Look at the response. Productivity is the measure of how efficiently and effectively you can complete a task or achieve a goal within given time frame. Amazing, right? Like ChatGPT is something which is mind blowing. So it gives us a pretty detailed answer on what exactly is productivity. Like anyone who wishes to go through, they can go through this particular answer in detail. It talks about the characteristics of productivity as well. What are the key factors to achieve productivity, and then what are the factors to manage your time effectively. So these are the various things that ChatGPT has given us an answer with. But but let's say if you were looking for something different, you were not exactly looking for just productivity, but you had an assignment of basically writing a blog about the importance of productivity for small businesses. This was the end objective that you have in mind, but you gave a prompt to ChatGPT that you just want to know about productivity. So in that particular case, ChatGPT just gave you a very generic response on what exactly is productivity. But if your end outcome, as I mentioned in the first slide, you need to have the end outcome in mind, and you need to provide the AI with the context. So over here, your context is that you want to write a blog post about the importance of productivity, and that too only for small businesses. So if you mention this thing in your prompt, this is where magic will start to happen. Okay, let's mention the same thing. Write a blog post about productivity. What was it? For small businesses, right? About the importance of productivity for small businesses. Of productivity for small businesses. Let's say we enter this. Now look at the response. Over here, you will get a very, very tailor-made response. This is the response exactly what you're looking for. You were looking for the importance of productivity for small businesses, and you wanted to portray it in a blog format as well. Now, ChatGPT will give you the response which is very, very specific to what your use case is. And yeah, you can look at the response. This is like mind-blowing stuff, right? You would have taken at least, I would say, 1.5 hours. Maybe if you're very good, maybe less than 60 minutes. But maybe if you are very average in writing content, this could have taken you more than 5-6 hours as well. If you did your own research and wrote by yourself, and if you are not very fast in content writing, which is absolutely fine. Not a lot of us are. So you can see over here that the answer that you are getting over here is very, very specific to your use case, and you can just simply copy paste it for the use case that you're looking for. So this is the importance of giving context. By mentioning over here that you want a blog thing, you get a result which is very, very objective oriented, like the objective that you had in mind, that is what it returned. Let's go to example number 2. So over here you are mentioning chat gpt about the writing about the importance of SEO for brand building. Okay, so let's type it out over here. Let's practice everything while doing it. The results would be very good. I'm sure you all know about it. So write about the importance of SEO for brand building. About the importance of SEO for brand building. Let's type it out and see what is the result. So over here again you would get an answer which is very, very generic. Okay, it is just about the importance of SEO for brand building. But what exactly do you need this particular content information for? If you just need it for your research, then it's absolutely fine. But if you want to take this content piece and use it as an end format piece, like you want to show it somewhere, you want to post it somewhere, you want to email a client about it, you want to just mention it in your website, so you can do a lot of things with these things, right? Over here you are getting an answer which is absolutely amazing. Like it tells you about the importance of SEO. It tells you that it increases visibility, it improves credibility, it increases website traffic, and etc. It gives you all the advantages. It tells you, in fact, tells you the strategies as well which you can follow. But let's say your end outcome was that you have to email a client about the importance of brand building, importance of SEO for brand building. Let's say you have to email a client about it and convince the client to take your services of SEO for the same. So then you cannot send a client something like this. This is a very generic response, right? There is no call to action. This is a very generic response about what exactly is SEO and how SEO can help you in brand building. This is where context plays a very, very important role in. So instead of the basic prompt on which we mentioned earlier, which was write about the importance of SEO for brand building, you can mention a better prompt. Okay, so what is the better prompt? You can simply, but you can take it, just type it out in your chat GPT windows as well. So basically whatever your context is, you need to provide